Oh yeah, mask's on.
Mask on.
Okay, so
Trying to tell Janita to put a mask on.
we're gonna attempt to go down to the Strip. My son recommends Gordan Ramsay fish and chips as a very good way to sample Gordan Ramsay food without the hefty price tag. So I'm all about the budget, so we're gonna go down there and give it a try. I don't know what to expect. Dean says, or somewhere it said they weren't serving, you can't dine in, it's only takeout. So we'll see. Like a hot blow dryer. Right in your face. Okay, Flamingo parking garage, check. We got here easy. Traffic on the Strip wasn't a problem. It's pretty dead, honestly. Although parking in the free parking garage is kind of full. I don't know where all the people are at. I think the Flamingo is advertising something like $19 a night rooms right now. Trying to get people free parking to try to attract visitors, so they're somewhere. So you give me rabbit ears back there?
No.
If you ask me, it's pretty empty. Hey, they're not wearing a mask. All right. All day safe practices, safety first. All right, we're at Dean's apartment over here near UNLV, and we had to bring our stuff back here to eat because, well, indoor dining was closed. I'm probably way too close to the camera too. But anyways, so it was kind of a long drive, but we're back. I'm ready to try it, and I got the #1 dirty fries. So it has like chorizo and jalapenos on the fries. Oh my God, yum.
The fish like melts in your mouth. So good.
Okay, tonight I decided to take my little girl to the Strip for a little while. She's not a little girl anymore, she's growing up. But free parking again, so we came to the New York. I'm familiar with it. It's right off Tropicana. And look at this. I have this whole, this is the walkway from the parking garage, all to myself. Okay, let's go hit the Strip. Okay, they're not really social distancing. Okay, crossing the major intersections, it's not that easy to stay 6 feet apart, but if you've ever been to Vegas when there's not coronavirus, it's really not that crowded. They have these plastic separators for when you're gambling at the table, they've got those, I don't know even know how to say it. The social distancing. I don't even know how to say it.
And suddenly I feel it on me. I feel it on me.
So this is the old lady and me talking, but when I go in like the Cosmopolitan and the crystal shops, my eyes burn really bad. I think it's the, am I on there? I think it's the perfume. They have a really strong smell of perfume and it just kills my eyes. It makes me want to sleep. So for that reason, the crystal shops, other than I can't afford it either, and the Cosmopolitan just bug my eyeballs. Kind of like these bright lights.
And suddenly I feel it on me. I feel it on me. And suddenly I feel it on me.
So I'll say there's definitely a lot more riffraff on this side of the road than on the Gucci side of the road. Stop, Geneva. Let's let them go. Like the rich side. Unfortunately, this is the poor side. That's my interpretation. You are recording. Oh, okay, that wraps it up. That's a wrap. We went from the New York to Cosmopolitan and back. It's awfully hot, very tiring because it's so hot. So we'll see y'all later. Where's the automatic door? There it is. Sorry. All right, more adventures tomorrow.